Everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching me from. My name is Gloria, and in this video I'll be sharing you my own reviews on Hawaiian bar soap. Hawaiian bar soap, my honest reviews. And once again, before we dive into the class, if you've not comment, if you've not subscribed, if you've not like and share, please do, so that you will get notified when I upload a new video. So in this video, let's get started without wasting more time. Okay, so exploring the best Hawaii bar soap. Here is a question, says what is Hawaii bar soap? Hawaii bar soap helps to pamper yourself with a little bit of what? Of island luxury. It makes you look luxury. It makes your skin look classic and glowing. Okay, let's look further. I say look no further. In this video, we take you on a journey to explore the top bar soaps inspired by the beautiful Hawaiian island. Okay, from topical scents to moisturizing ingredients, this bar soap will transport you to paradise with every lather. It tells you that these soaps will give you a good result on your skin, and it lathers a lot. And you know one thing again, soaps that lathers a lot last. Okay, and again it's very solid. It's not something that we get finished on time. And again, there is a tip I'm going to give to you. When you buy this Hawaii bar soap, for it to last for you, if you want it to last a little longer for you, you have to cut it into 3 pieces or 4 pieces, into 4 parts or 3 parts. You understand? So that when you want to use any, you can just go there, pick one. When you finish that one, you go again, you pick the other one. When you finish, till you finish all the bars, the bars that you cut. In this way, it makes your soap to last, and make it not to be wasted by water. Because sometimes when we keep our bar soap, water gets into it, and you see everything will drain out. You understand? So it's waste. And this bar soap, I'm telling you now in our economy now, is from 1,700 to 2,000 naira. So you see, you don't want your soap to get waste. So when you buy the soap, you cut it into 4 pieces or 3 parts. You understand? Then you can be managing it, using it like that. You can use on your face, use it on any part of your body. And it has different parts. It has papaya, it has carrot, it has the one of apricot. You understand? You can try all of them, and you get your favorite that you'll be using. Okay, so our white bar soap is very, very nice, very, very good for the skin. It's good for black skin, it's good for caramel skin, it's good for fair skin, it's even good for children from the age of 10 years upward. Is very, very good for them. Okay, and you can use it with other good creams. Don't worry, I'll give you reviews of good creams, good affordable creams that you can use. All right, it has a good ingredients. They have rich ingredients that you benefit from, that your skin will benefit from. All right. See, whether you are local, looking for a new favorite, or a visitor wanting to take home a piece of Hawaii, these soaps are sure to delight your senses and nourish your skin. Even if it's your first time, because sometimes when you go to other environments, maybe when you go to visit your friends, your relatives, maybe work took you to other places you've not been before, and you want to try out new soaps. Maybe the soap that you're using, you didn't see it, and you saw other soaps that you want to use, you can try Hawaii bar soap. And it will never leave you regret. It will give you what you want on your skin. Just under 7 to 2 weeks, you get a good result on your skin. I tell you guys that you love your skin. These soaps are sure to delight your senses and nourish your skin. You can try out the different types and discover how it works for you to explore. Okay, explore your skin. It has rich ingredients. Okay, it has rich ingredients for your skin. Ingredients that your skin will love, that people will ask you, will be asking you, babes, what are you using? What do you use for your skin? they will be what they will be asking you. And the ingredients, it has a palmate, the sodium, it has a kenalate, it has palm disodium, it has aquai, it has glycerin, it has chlorine, it has acid, and lots more. And the main product of this, the main work of this soap is what is papaya. All right, so I advise you to use it, and don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe, because in this video we'll be getting more tips on beauty, getting more tips of wellness, we'll be getting more tips on family issues, parenting, and more. All right, thank you guys.